Here's a little trick. 6 out of the 7 days end the same way. Hi everyone, bonjour à tous, I'm Keshi and this is Let Us Learn French. If you're excited to learn the days of the week in French, then give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss a video from us. Let's jump into the video. Les jours de la semaine. The days of the week. I'm going to say each day slowly at first and then I will repeat them all at a normal pace. For the best learning experience, repeat after me as I'm saying each day. Feel free to pause the video or go back at any point until you know them all. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Now I will say it again at a normal pace. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. How is that? Was that a little bit tricky or was it super easy? Let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know what your favorite day is. In French, of course.
In French, of course.
If you liked this video and found it useful, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you're the first to know when we upload a new video. Also, make sure to check out those 2 videos and follow us on Instagram at Let Us Learn French Official, where we give you a new French word of the day every day, and we give you questions and exercises where you can practice your French even more. Thank you so much for staying until the end. I'll see you next Sunday. Take care.